In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trusted IP addresses to Binance API keys, guiding you with these updated steps for 2025. This is an important measure to increase the security of your Binance account by ensuring that only requests from specific, trusted IP addresses can access it. This greatly helps in preventing unauthorized access. First, let's begin by logging into your Binance account. Go ahead and navigate to Binance.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, use your credentials to log in. It's always a good idea to ensure your connection is secure while logging into financial sites, so check for that HTTPS in the URL for added security. Once logged in, you'll want to access the API management area. To do this, move your cursor over your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. When you see the drop-down menu appear, select the API management option. It's quite handy to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's where you'll manage secure connections for your account. If you've yet to create an API key, you can easily do so. Simply click on the Create API button. From there, follow the prompts which will guide you to name your new API key. Binance will ask you to complete two-factor authentication or 2FA verification. This step adds another layer of security, making it crucial that you have your 2FA method set up and ready to confirm on your phone or whatever device you use. For those of you who already have API keys set up and want to make changes, locate the API key that you intend to modify. Once you find it, look for the Edit Restrictions option and click on it. This action will bring you to where you can change your key's security settings. Now, it's time to set up those IP access restrictions. Look for the section labeled IP Access Restrictions. Here, you'll want to select the option that allows you to restrict access to trusted IPs only. Opting for this strongly recommended setting means only the IPs you specify can interact with your Binance account via the API. Simply enter the desired IP addresses into the provided field. If you need to enter more than one IP, be sure to separate each address with a comma. This step is crucial for establishing a secure list of authorized IP addresses. After you've diligently added the necessary IPs, don't forget to click on the Confirm button to save your settings. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, since mistakes can prevent you from accessing your account through the API. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Binance API security by restricting access to only trusted IP addresses, effectively safeguarding your account from unauthorized entry.